Gutenberg Block Pattern Generator. Tired of pasting raw HTML into your WordPress editor, then watching it break when you switch themes? This skill produces block patterns that are 100% theme native. Every color, every spacing value, every font size resolves to your theme's design tokens, not hard-coded styles. You get two modes. Convert mode turns existing HTML into production-ready blocks. Generate mode builds complete registrable pattern files from a description, plus automatic theme token mapping and zero post-paste cleanup. Paste in your hero section HTML, and the skill detects convert mode automatically. It asks for your theme palette slugs, then outputs clean Gutenberg markup. Every background color, every padding value, every font size points to a theme token slug. Open it in the site editor, and it inherits your design system perfectly. Stop fighting the block editor. Grab Gutenberg Block Pattern Generator today at strategistkit.com.